piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still lodged in my head, and some blonde give me nightmare. Think that it's still in my bed. As I dream about movies, they want me, caught me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and friend kiss the morning, while some marching band keep it on beat in my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe, about love, the truth, and what you mean to me. And the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for the night. I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as Holy Ghost days, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away, save that I take on my way home. A king ransom and demons I keep each night to see through this payphone. Still I run over time, or it's hard to get through till the bird on the wire pass me back to you. I'll just close my eyes and whisper, baby, blind love is true. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for the night. I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as Holy Ghost days, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this hotel bar hangover whiskey gonna dry the barkeeper with crooked, and she giving me the eye. I might head say yeah, but I love so hard I think I die. Oh yeah. As you close your eyes, I'll be thinking about you, while my mistress is calling me to stand in her spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that don't mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, for it's you that I died to defend. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses wanna be